Elephants are the largest animal living on land. It is one of the most powerful animals in the world with its hoses and sharp teeth, a rival to be feared. Elephants, two species of Asian elephants and African elephants, have few enemies. The male African elephant can reach 4 meters in length and 7,000 kilograms in weight. That's why no animal wants to fight an elephant. Animals such as rhinoceros, hippopotamus, buffalo, and lions may encounter elephants. They use their long and pointed incisors as a weapon while fighting. Since the relationship between elephants is very high, every individual is very important. This herbivorous elephants are found in natural habitats such as savanna, forest, desert, and swamp. Elephants, who generally prefer to stay near water, also try to get into the water and cool off with their hoses. Generally, animals prefer to stay away from elephants. Predators such as lions, tigers, hyenas, and wild dogs only attack baby elephants. However, big cats such as lions and tigers can also attack large elephants. Elephants are usually peaceful animals. Females may, however, be aggressive when young calves are present, and bulls can be exceptionally aggressive during moost. All elephants may become aggressive when sick, injured, or harassed. Elephants react to threats or challenges in 3 different ways. Dominance or threat displays are designed to demonstrate the superior strength and social position of the individual. They may look towards the threat, spreading their ears out. Standing tall, they raise their head and tusks high. Head shaking and trunk swishing can also be seen. Elephants are capable of and have run down and stomped leopard to death. They sometimes form large communities with family groups coming together. Elephants are one of the smartest animals in the world. It has been observed that they show empathy towards dying elephants or animals of their own kind. They do not take their offspring away to protect them from all kinds of danger. Elephants can move both forwards and backwards, but they cannot jump. They can overturn gigantic trees with their teeth and proboscis.